In this video I'm going to show you how to change the default location of your backup folder in iTunes. So I come to my machine this morning and I noticed that I've got quite low space on my C drive. So I've got an SSD for the C drive and then I've got a larger 3TB drive that I want to basically store all my data on. I don't really want the backup sat on the faster storage, as there's just no reason for that. In order for me to figure that out, I downloaded a program called WinDirStart. And I'll just drag this across the screen now. If you ever heard of WinDirStart, what that does is basically it just does a scan of the hard drive and it shows you what's taken up the majority of the space. So as you can see on here, the Apple MobileSync Backup folder seems to be taking up 28GB, which is not a gigantic amount of space, but if you've only got a 128 drive or something like that, you don't really want that stored on there. So in order to change this, navigate to the folder where the backups are located. You can do this by pasting in the shortcut, which is %userprofile %\apple /mobilesync /backup. Hit enter. Straight away there you can see the files, which are the backup ones, which are taking up so much space. You can navigate going along from the top level so as well. So if you go to C drive, into users, in there you will see your username. I'm just logged in as user, so that's why that comes up like that. Then you'll see a folder called Apple MobileSync Backup, and then there we are, there, the backup location again. What we're going to do is we're just literally going to delete these. I have another backup of my phone and I'm also just going to make a new one once it's in the new location. So I'm just going to get rid of these. If you do need to keep these, you can just literally drag them straight across to the new location that we're going to create to actually store the backups. So that's completely up to you. Okay, so once these are deleted, what we need to do is go back a folder and then we're just going to completely delete the folder called backup. So on mine, I've already gone into the D drive and I've already created another folder called Apple Backup. So I would suggest you do the same, or in another volume or something like that, just so it's not going back onto the C drive, because obviously that's the whole point in this video. So if we go back to the MobileSync folder, the next thing that we need to do is open up a command prompt window. Just go there, and then I'll just drag my notepad across and show you. This is the command which we need to run in order to change the backup location. So it's the mklink /j /userprofile. That is the path where it was located before. And then you want to put your new path in there as well. So I will leave this command in the description so you can copy it. So if I copy that, I'm just going to go back in here just to show you that this is empty. So if we go into command prompt and we hit right click after I've copied that command, you'll see that that goes in there. And if I just move it over there and then I'll hit enter so you can see. So now we've got a folder in there which is effectively just a shortcut to the new backup folder, but it's located on the other drive. So now if I launch iTunes, I'm going to click backup now. And if we now navigate across to the folder which we created, you will see that there is now a new backup folder which it's created itself from iTunes. So this basically means that it's just going to back up to there now, saving space. So straight away, since I've deleted that, you can see it's freed up quite a lot of space there on the C drive. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So this will work for Windows 10. This should also work for the iTunes if it's downloaded from their website or from the Microsoft Store. But yeah, that should be it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.